Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great today. I am outside of Hobby Lobby waiting on the girls. They went in to go look at some paint supplies and stuff, so decided, hey, I got this, so I might as well do a unboxing out in the parking lot. Hopefully it's not too loud around here, but we'll open this thing up and see what it looks like. All right, so cool. Got some cool stickers. Guessing this is going to be the information card. Yep. More stick, a little scraper. That's cool. They give you a little scraper with it. A little card to register your Yeti. Said go for raising the stakes, Bigfoot, fireside defense, flapjacks, tomahawks, fish Fridays. All right, here we go, guys. There she is. There is the Yeti 12. We'll pull this out, maybe. Pull this out in the sun a little bit. Wow, that's got a smooth surface. And I always heard how good the butter pats were, so this one is supposed to be basically the same thing, just a little cheaper. But I don't know, guys, what do y'all think? I think it looks really good. We'll do a first cook in it probably next couple of days, and we'll see y'all later. Y'all have a great day.